Earning money versus making money, the difference. There is a difference between earning money and making money. Although the words are interchangeably used, they are not the same thing. Knowing the difference helps you understand how to support your journey towards financial wellness. If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. This is one of the most famous quotes of Oracle of Omaha, Warren Buffett. There is a difference between earning money and making money. If you can differentiate between the two, you will achieve financial independence early on in your professional life. Do subscribe if you are yet to, do give a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share with friends and loved ones so they benefit as you are about to. When you work for a paycheck, you are just exchanging your time with money. And everyone has limited time in their lives. Therefore, you can only earn a limited amount of money. On the other hand, when you find an alternative to earn a paycheck, for example, investing in the stock market, making YouTube videos, or renting out a flat, you make money. In this case, you have a stream of passive income and you will earn money over and over again. You don't have to trade your time with money. You are not dependent on someone or a paycheck. Earning money is a result of exchanging your time for cash, payment, or a paycheck. You earn money by performing work for someone else, a business owner, an employer, or client. In the gig economy, you earn money by performing tasks for others, designing logos, or using your car to drive people or deliver packages. When you work for someone else or exchange your time, you're earning money. But many of the wealthy spend time making money. Earning money requires exchanging your time and skills for money. You're paid based on the number of hours worked. Whether you're paid based on the actual hours you've worked or a set salary, you're earning money. When you earn money, you're dependent on someone else or another company to earn your living. How much you earn is limited by the number of hours you work, regardless of your hourly wage. Remember, time is finite, and therefore the only way to earn more is to become more valuable, getting paid more per hour or with a higher salary. Making money is using your time to create a product or service that continues to make money for you. It's not dependent on exchanging more of your time for money. In fact, you're not limited to how much you can make. Making money can include income from licensing creative work, rental property, dividends from investments, advertising revenues from a blog, or a business that generates revenues. You can make money by creating a product that people need. For example, a book or a course can sell over and over again. These products earn money for you. Of course, you'll spend some time promoting the products, but you're not limited to how many products you can sell. When you make enough money to cover monthly living expenses, you've entered financial independence. Financial independence means work is completely voluntary and optional. Your goal should be to find ways to make money to regain back your time. If you believe it takes money to make money, then you'll need to create a plan to use your earned money on money-making activities. In making money, you do it once and get paid over and over and over for it. Some people refer to this as passive income as opposed to earned income, but anyone who has their money invested in an income-producing asset knows it's rarely completely passive. There is usually some or much work that must be done to ensure that the asset continues to produce a regular income on which you can live. That would be all for now. I'm sure you did benefit from this video. Do subscribe if you are yet to do so, to give a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share with friends and loved ones so they benefit as you have. See you next time. Until then, remain blessed.